This video, we're going to talk about how to do a USPTO trademark search for your business name to protect your business name and brand from costly mistakes.
This video is brought to you by Agent CRM, the ultimate all-in-one software designed for agents and their teams. If you're looking to supercharge your business, Agent CRM has got you covered. From AI-powered schedule bot that helps you fill your calendar effortlessly to comprehensive marketing tools like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and ringless voicemail. Agent CRM is packed with features to streamline operations. With Agent CRM, you get access to powerful automated workflows, preloaded marketing campaigns, and world-class support. Plus, you can start with a free 14-day trial, no sign-up fee, and zero cost to get started. Join over 10,000 satisfied users who have transformed their business with Agent CRM. Head over to the link below or scan the QR code to start your free trial today and take your business to the next level.
Hey there, my name is Dan Exton-Wynn, and I'm here to help you navigate the legal side of business as your trusted business attorney in California. Welcome back to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs, where we make legal matters straightforward and accessible for you and your business. First things first, what is a trademark? Now, in simple terms, a trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design that identifies and distinguishes the source of goods or services of one party from those of others. Now, what this means is that your business name, your logo, or slogan can be protected so others can't use it. Now, we're going to walk through a video here to show you how to do a search on the United States Patent and Trademark Office. All right, so you're going to go to uspto.gov. And you're going to go to trademarks, and then you're going to go search our database system. Okay, let me go back, and there's some great links here to learn more about searching. Why search, and then comprehensive clearance search. This one's really good because it gives you more details about what you should do and why important is searching, and then the federal trademark search. But how to do it and search strategies. Okay, but I just want to get you inside the system. So trademark search, and let's just say you are pick a name. I'll just pick Whizzle, right? Whizzle, that's your business name, and you just want to do a basic search to start. And let's just see who else is using Whizzle. All right, so exercise, that's dead. This is alive, fast casual restaurants. This is whistles. Okay, cat toys, chemical preparations, word is a software, electronic games, right? And so now we get kind of similar. So now we're just kind of doing an exact search. Let's just say you actually are doing for t-shirts, right? So let's just type shirts, right? Let's see if there's any conflicts. All right, not exactly any conflicts, right? Wise, I don't know how you pronounce these, UZL. So does it look like there's any exact hits, exact conflicts, and searching deeper for in connection with search. So, but remember, you got to know that it's same or similar sounding, right? So these are checking if there's a similar, there's no exact hits, so that doesn't necessarily make you in the clear, but you might feel better that there's no exact hits and see what's available. Okay, so I'll just give you another example of why same or similar is important. Let's just say like Starbucks, right? You don't know what Starbucks is. Let's just say whatever it is, 20 or 30 years ago, and but you spell it with an X, right? All right, so obviously it's not showing up because there's no registration for that. But I want to explain to you here that it's similar sounds, right? Because if you do this, now you got a bunch of registrations, right? So play around with the words, plural, singular variations, maybe opposites, like if you do have a word mother or father. If you have mother in your word, then search for father variations, brother or sister, things like that. Opposites, colors too. If you have the word of a particular color, check a handful of other color and see if there's any similarities. Foreign translations, right? So check, put in the English translation of your word in here to see if there's any particular conflicts. Okay, what's really important for you guys is to go and kind of read read these particular guides here, because it'll help here. Okay, let me go back here, and this is a good place to start, right? Confusing, similar, and goods related services. It gives you an idea of what kind to understand about the searching. Here's how to search, and here's some common search strategies. Exact same wording, right? Now expand your search as I showed you, right? And including alternate spellings, give you spelling different, as the Starbucks example, and plural, singular, things like that. So this is a really good guide, and to help you do your first search, so that if you end up going with the attorney, you can say, hey, this is what I've already done, and so that they can direct your next step. But if you're just doing it on your own, this is a good place to start. It can get overwhelming, so if you need help, reach out to an attorney to help you to do a search for you, and kind of interpret some of the results. So think of it as, sometimes these things can be like an X-ray, right? So the medical professionals can better interpret X-rays or lab results or things like that, usually than a lay person. So think of either kind of this type of search, or even a comprehensive search that's done by an attorney, as done by an expert, and can interpret the results and give you, if it's high risk, low risk, or perhaps medium risk. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful. Now, remember, conducting a thorough trademark search is a critical step in protecting your brand. It helps you avoid potential legal disputes and ensures that your business name remains unique in the marketplace. Now, not a proper trademark search could cost you thousands of dollars in legal fees, or even force you to rebrand entirely. Before you launch your next big idea, make sure you're not walking into a legal minefield. Making sure your business name is unique and protected is crucial for building a strong brand. Thanks for tuning in to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave your questions and comments below. I'm always here to help you navigate the legal landscape with ease. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.